Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to find your account number on the Verizon app. So if you want to find your account number on my Verizon app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the my Verizon app. So if you have not installed the my Verizon app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the my Verizon app and make sure that you are signed in or logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of my Verizon app, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar which is discover, shop, stores and all other things. So after signing in, you will also see the option which is account tab. So to find your account number, you just need to tap on the account tab at the very bottom of the screen, and from there you just need to select the account settings. So after selecting the account settings, you will see the option which is account settings overview. So simply tap on it and your account number will be displayed at the very top of the screen, and you'll be able to find your account number like this. So that's it. That's how you can find your account number on the my Verizon app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.